Cause hey, what's up, y'all? What's going on? The one thing that stuck out to me about this wig is the color. I'm not gonna hold you. And then I saw the way that it was pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, meaning all you got to do is put this thing on your face and you ready to go. Cinnamon mocha. We better be fly on top of fly. This is a cinnamon mocha ombre, kinky wand curl, invisible drawstring, fitted, glueless, 360 HD lace wig. Now, if you think for 1 minute I'm not gonna put this wig on my face, when I want a wand curl wig like this, look at this wig. Look at this right there. Look at that wig right there. I don't want to wear it up. I want to wear it down. It's a 360, and I'm gonna show y'all that it's a 360, so you can wear it up, okay? But I don't want to do it. Now, these particular wigs have the elastic band with the silicone strips on there.
They need elasticity.
Because they need elasticity. They do. That's right, baby.
They do need elasticity.
And then they have the invisible drawstring that you can pull, and it cinches the back so it looks more natural back there. And then they have these like little silicone patches that go along the bottom. That's gonna hold on back there. They want to make sure this wig stays on your head. And listen, that is a beautiful thing. Because don't be out here embarrassing me with your wigs. Don't do that. Make sure you take advantage of all of those features so you can keep the wig on the back of that neck. Hold on, let me look at it. Because you know sometimes it be, but it don't be like that. Whoop de whoop whoop. An HD wig cap. Bam. You want my face so bad. There it is. A rat tail comb. Belt band. Woo. I'm not a huge fan of the tape, especially back here off up in the bike. Because, baby, if it get the wrong piece of hair back there. Oh, let me look at this wig. Oh, this is beautiful. 22 inches. 180% density. Hair texture. Kinky curly. But it is wand curled. Oh, this wig is beautiful. Look at that hairline. I love it. Look how they pre-plucked it. And I love how that hairline has a personality. It's not straight across. I love that. Because most people, well, I can't say most people because I don't know most people. But I know my hairline does not go straight across. Look at that. Pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked, pre-cut.
All the things.
All the things your wig won't do. They'll do it for you. Now that's a lot of lace left over. I might trim that, honey. They want to make sure. They want to make sure that you have enough lace. Okay? It's enough over there. Yeah, I'm probably going to trim the band with the silicone strips to hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. Look at that invisible string. 1, 2, 3, bam. See these little string lines? It cinches the back of that wig. Look. 1, 2, 3. This wig is, baby, they want this wig to be secure, and I'm not mad. Now look at the inside. 4 combs on the inside with pride. I hope you can see in there. This wig ain't going nowhere. We don't have to worry about the fit. We just need to put it on and make it look legit. Look at the color of this wig. I'm not going to be doing too much as far as the updo, y'all. I showed y'all updos. This is beautiful. I don't want to disrupt it too much. Maybe I'll do it at the end. I don't know. It just depends. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. You want to be a part of the K team? Channel members? Hit that join button. OMG, her hair, yes! Come on! This is the stay down wig. This wig gonna stay down. Like John B. and Tupac said. Are you still down for me? Let's put it on. Let's put it on and see. Hold a minute.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Maybe I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar det hela tiden.
Hej hej, nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew. Searching for myself. I've been working hard just so I could say I told you so. I told you so. I don't need your approval to be myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time is up. Why you stay mad at me? We gon' make mistakes, we gon' disagree. Are you so proud of me? If you just wait and see, you gon' ride. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could've done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell him, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living what we manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been working hard